Hey girlfriends, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa and welcome back. You're going to love this look. It's so easy. Anybody can do this. If you struggle with a smoky eye and you can't get it right, then you're in the right place today because this is so easy you're going to want to do it. You are. Simple. Simple. 2 products. You're going to use 2 products and an eyeshadow. Not a whole lot. It's uncomplicated and I want you to learn how to do it, okay? So if you want to know how to get this, just keep watching. You are going to love this. I know you are. We're going to use Ornate Liquid Eyeshadow. It's by Unique. It is beautiful. You can see this got a little sheen to it, right? And then we're going to use Proper Liner. This is a pencil liner. I wouldn't use a liquid liner. Liquid liners mean you have hard lines. Smoky eyes mean there are no lines. Everything blends together and it's just beautiful. So we're going to use this in a certain way. And the reason I'm using this is because this is waterproof. The liquid eyeshadow is typically kind of sort of the same thing. It's a liquid, but it dries to a soft finish and it's touchable. It doesn't crease, it stays, and it appears to be waterproof for me because I've gotten in the rain before and it's been on my eyes and it didn't come off. So I absolutely love it. I absolutely love this color, and it smokes out so pretty. Now, one thing you are going to need to do and get, you probably already maybe have a light eyeshadow, and this is a color Laid Back, and it is one that you can see that I use quite a bit. And we are going to use that on our eyes. But first of all, you need to use a primer. I'm going to use Unique's primer. I do like Unique's primer. It's kind of a fleshy color, and you can just tap it. And then go ahead and apply it to your lids. And you do need to let it set just for a few minutes. Not a whole long time, a couple of minutes. And make sure you put it, I put it all over. I know some people may not bring it all the way up, but I do. And I have older eyes and I have, you know, my eyes skin and all that's moving now. And I really need some staying power with whatever I'm going to put on my eyes, of course. So I'm going to let this set for a second and we'll get started. The thing that I'm going to do is use this light color and I want to run it like right through here and right under my brow, okay? I'm going to take this Jaclyn Hill brush. I don't know what number it is. I can't even read them anymore because it doesn't have the thing on it. But you're going to run this right through here. I just like to go ahead and have a little bit of light there. It kind of helps me, determine how high I'm going to go. And so then I can see exactly where I put it. And I'm going to blend it up to that point. Does that make sense? I hope it does. And, you know, if you want to put it over your whole entire eye, you can do that. You can put this liquid over, eyeshadow if you want to. It all blends together. I've done that before too. Because sometimes I'll take a color like Reverent and then I'll add a pressed powder eyeshadow with it. Just like this, the same thing. And it works well together. I really like using these products. Now, this is the star of the show. And we need a fluffy crease brush. This is Unique's brush. I really have used a lot of brushes with this liquid foundation. What's wrong with me? Liquid eyeshadow. But this brush is the best one for it. I don't know why or rhyme or reason. I've got a lot of good brushes, but this one takes the cake. It really is the best one when you're using this. So I'll link everything below for you. But I'm going to open this, and it has a doe foot applicator. You see that? It's so pretty. And you can see the shimmer just on there, right? So we're going to start on this eye. I'm going to do this eye for you first, and then I'll add it to the other eye. I don't want this to be too long because this is such a simple look. You can get it right off the bat. Take the doe foot, place it here, and we're only going to place this on our lid only, okay? That's it. Right there like that. And you can see that it's pretty dark, right? So we're going to start blending. And you need to go ahead and do this because it's going to set pretty quick. And then I take my hand and do like that. Get some of the product off. And we will add some of that Laid Back in the inner corner when we get to that point of having all this done. You see how this works? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. That's all we're putting on our eye. We ain't putting any other color other than using the liner. We're going to use the liner. So it's a very uncomplicated way to get a pretty smoky eye. And I usually let this set for a few minutes and I'll look at it. And if I need to come back and touch it up, I will just kind of dab it on here and we'll fix it that way. It's a work in progress, it is. Now, the liner part of this is this liner here. It's called Proper. And it is a chocolate brown. You see that? Oh, it goes on. And they're very creamy, but they set really well. And if you work it really fast, you can blend it on out. Now, I'm going to use this brush here. It's Cosmetics brush. I don't remember the name of it either. I've had this one probably 8 years at least. It's still a great brush. But it's just a little crease brush. That's all you need. If you got one, use what you got, okay? And then what I do is I don't bring it all the way in because I have really closed set eyes. So I typically will start right here over my pupil. And we're going to draw a little line from my pupil down, okay? Just like this. We're going to smoke out this. So what you want to do is do this first. And kind of get enough there. And then you're going to take this brush that we just talked about. And we're going to blend that out. Why am I blending it out? We don't want harsh lines. So if you go ahead and smoke it out while it's pliable, then you'll be able to get this look. So remember now, you just got to do it in little sections, okay? So when I get over here on this side, I am going to bring it up just a tad right in this area here because I want some more darkness there. So I just kind of flick it up, just kind of straight up like that. See it? And then we start blending because I want this outer corner to be a little bit more smoky dark, okay? And that's why I'm adding it, because the liquid eyeshadow has all the bronze and the golds in it. So pretty. And if you make boo-boos, you can always come back and clean it up, so don't worry about that. Or you could do this first. I just have my foundation on already. And because we're going to, there's a jazz fest tonight in Wetumpka. And we're going to go to that tonight. I'm kind of excited about that. I've got so many things going on right now. I'm about to leave to go to convention in Arizona. Unique's convention. I love it. It's going to be crazy. Carrie Underwood is performing for us, y'all. I haven't ever seen her in concert. I am so excited about that. And I'm so excited to go and learn and see all my buddies. Yes. Now, here's what we're going to do too. We're going to take it. I get on a tangent, I know. And we're going to only place this. Start with that little corner right there. And you're going to place a minimal amount of this, okay? That's about it right there. Don't put more than that, okay? Get that brush again, and now we're going to smoke this out down here. This turned out so pretty the other night. I was shocked because I really didn't know how I was going to put it together. I just kind of put it together on the fly, you know, because I work full time and my brain can only do so many things at once. Which is true. Lord help me sometimes. I really think that, honestly. At times I'm going, you know, my mom has passed and all, and I don't have that responsibility anymore. I'm getting some more of this liquid. And life has changed quite a bit. And so my job, I have a new job, and I have learned it now, and I feel more secure with that. And so that's working out well. But I long to just do this, and I long to just do Unique only. And at some point soon, because I'll be 60 in September. Yeah, I ain't got long to be in my 50s. So I'm going to kiss it goodbye in a good way. On to a new chapter. Yeah, that's basically what I'm thinking that way, okay? I'm really thinking that way. Now, I'm going to come back because I want a little more darkness here. I want it to be a little more smoky. So do it a little at a time so that you don't have too much and you don't have to go, oh, Lord, I don't know if I can blend all that out. So you see what I'm doing? I'm adding it in that corner, right there in that corner. And we are going to blend it real quick. This is a great brush. I'm sure they still have this brush. it's usually keeps those same brushes. This one has been a godsend for me. I've used it for years. Isn't that pretty? I just love this look. I really, really love this look. And then the only thing I'm going to do here in the inner corner, I'm going to add some laid back. And you can take and do this like this too. You don't have to draw it on. You can just kind of add it as you want to. And it will take it off of there. Because this is really soft. It's not hard. Because you buy some of them, they're really hard. I don't like those. And I usually don't use those because they feel kind of chalky. And these are not. All right, we're going to come back under here one more time. Kind of really smoky that out. Smoky eyes. And it doesn't matter what color your eyes are with this. It really doesn't. You can just put this on and your eyes are going to pop. Especially if you have blue eyes. Oh, girl. It's going to be gorgeous with blue eyes. Very, very pretty. Because that's the color. Blue eyes. This bronzy color makes blue eyes really pop. And it brings my green out a little bit more in the hazel in it. So there's that. Now we're going to take laid back again. And I'm looking for a little brush. Oh, I put it over here. Darn me. Take this, a little flat brush. You don't have to get a unique one. This is unique. And pop it right in here in this corner. I have gone today and babysitted. I enjoyed my time with my grandbabies today. I don't get to see them enough, and that was one reason I was so excited to go. So I'm just now getting to film this. There we go. What do you think? That's so pretty. So pretty. Now, we are going to do mascara. I'm going to grab that really quickly. And I want to show you how it's going to change. Your whole eye shape will change. Can you look at my eyes and see how this one's more elongated? Just because I put that color it about here and this side. And this one's more round looking. They look totally different. So you can change the shape of your eye with makeup. You can. This is more lifted. This one is more rounded. Same thing with mascara. You can use mascara 2 different ways to do the same thing as well. You can just put it out here on the corner and it will pull the eye outward. If you put it all the way over, it's going to make the eye more round. So you're going to have elongated and round. So play around with it. I think you'll really enjoy it. So let me grab my mascara and we'll add that to this. Now we're going to, I already did one eye with mascara. Can you see the difference in the eyes? So we're going to do this one on the right side. And it's just easier for me to do the right side so that you can see it. Now I always close my eyes and I squeeze. These are just Revlon eyelash curlers. And you can see it gets it right on the end when you do that. And you can pump it if you want to. That might help. But some people lift it up. That's just strictly up to you, girl. You figure that out for your eyes. I had to for mine. I really love doing this. This is almost like therapy for me, honestly. Been through so much. This pacemaker, my mom passing. And when I do this, it's my creativity coming out. And I don't, I have a job where there's nothing creative. And, the day gets long. And, doing the same thing over and over and over. Now I have a great work family, though. I'm in a good place. So that, helps when you have that as well. A lot of good friends there. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Y'all, this is such an easy look. You can do it. Now I'm just going to put a little bit right here and right there. I don't like a lot of mascara underneath my eyes because my lashes are really long there. And so they look like claws to me. And I just don't like it. I would rather focus on the top and leave the bottom alone. But if I'm going to put it, I'll put it only right under the pupil. And then that's enough. That is totally enough. Oh, that's so pretty. Now, the one last thing we need to do, and I think we need to do, is this laid back. We need to take laid back, and we need to take that original brush that we used, this one, and we're just going to clean up, like right under here, with this brush. you know, because you don't want harsh edges. You want it to be kind of, smoky is supposed to be smoky. See that? That lightens it up quite a bit. And it needed, those edges need to be blended out with this. How many of you are going to try this? Oh, I love it. Now, if you've got some liquid eyeshadow, try it with yours. It doesn't matter. I love this one. And I did want to show you this too. There's that I put on, which is the proper, where's it at? Proper liner. This right here. Now watch. It does not smudge. It does not move. And it's still there. Once it sets, it's there, girlfriend. So that's why I like using this, because I don't have to worry about it getting a big blob. That's happened before with me. You know, you go somewhere and you're doing all these things and you go in the bathroom and you look and you got a big blob sitting here. Well, that would be the liner that did not set and did not do right. So I don't have that with this. So I strictly only use these eyeliners from now on. So that looks pretty good. What do y'all think? I think it looks pretty good, don't you? Now, I want you to go out and try this. And if you want to grab the liquid eyeshadow from Unique, grab it. It's beautiful. I think anybody can wear this. Anybody can do this. I'll put everything listed below as well, but this is so pretty. Let me close my eyes so you can see. Isn't that pretty? And easy. That's what we're after, girlfriends. Easy and pretty. An uncomplicated look. That's what this is. So please like and share and click that notification bell. I appreciate you so much for coming and hanging out with me every Sunday. Maybe soon I'll be doing it a little bit more. And I can add a few things. I'm still working on my room. I'm going to have me a room where I only do all of this. Everything's going to be in there. It's not going to be in here in my bedroom anymore. I can't wait. I'm excited about that. I still got a lot of things I got to get out of there. That was my mom's room when she was here. So I'm slowly going through it. And I'm making progress. So pretty soon you'll be seeing me in a new room, and it's just going to be so pretty. I'm going to do it's up so pretty. I can't wait. So I will see y'all next Sunday. Please click that notification bell if I didn't say that already, because you'll be notified when I'm on. But I do put it out every Sunday, okay? Love you guys. I'll see you later.